Hi all, Darren Green, Mortgage Broker Perth. Today I'm going to talk about money and my philosophy about money and how you sort of take it away as an issue in life, because life is so much more fun when you don't have to worry about it. You know, it's not about being a multi-billionaire, it's just about having enough so that it's not an issue in life, and it just makes living that much more enjoyable. Now, number one, you've got to have a vision. You've really got to be able to look into the future and just see where you want to be in 10 years from now. So, you know, how much money you want to have, and also you can look at the relationships, your house, and all those sorts of things. What you drive, your fitness, you know, all those sorts of things. You've got to sort of work out what your ideal is, so you've got something to work towards. And once you do decide on that, you've got to have a plan. You know, you've got to have the actions that you're going to carry out, you know, every day, every week, every month, just to know that you're progressing towards that vision. Because, you know, if you're not progressing towards it, it's just a daydream and a source of frustration if you're not making progress towards your goal. Now, number two is to live within your means. Now, this is so basic. You know, you just got to earn more than you spend. And I know it sounds so easy, but so many people do not live that way. You know, I go to see a first home buyer, and you know they've already got the flash cars. You know, the two cars with the two car loans, and they've got the big screen TV, and they've got the credit card debts. You know, they're doing things in the wrong order. You know, that's great, but they've missed all these other steps that they should have taken before they got those. You know, I'm against credit cards, and I'm really, you know, this stage of my life, I'm against even borrowing money to buy cars. You know, I suggest you save, but anyway, you've really got to learn to live within your means and not be one of those people that lives paycheck to paycheck. You know, you've got to be able to put some money away, not just for the future, but for now, just to be happy now. I mean, there's nothing worse than running out of money every week, and you know, having to worry about little things like the washing machine blowing up, or a pet getting sick, or these things that are fairly minor in life, but you know, when you've got no money at all, you know, they seem such major things. So you've got to get past that stage where you have nothing fairly quickly, and it doesn't take a lot. I mean, if you've got $10,000 in the bank, you'll be amazed how much better you feel, and how much better you sleep, and how much happier you are. Now, number three, and this may sound a little harsh, but I'm going to say it anyway. You've really got to choose your friends wisely. You know, the quality of person that you hang around with will have a major influence on how your life will turn out. Now, just as an example, you know, I get a lot of referrals, and that's where the majority of my business comes from. So if I have a client ring me and say that you know, they've got a friend that wants to see me, it's just uncanny how similar that friend is. You know, that they just have the same philosophy in life, and that's just the way it is. Your friends help mould your philosophy, and you help mould theirs. So you really want to be hanging around quality people. You know, I could go deeper into this, but I won't. It's just something to think about. But do, you know, look at the people who have an influence on your thinking, and make sure that that influence is a good one. So anyway, I'll leave it at that. If you have any questions at all about anything finance or philosophy, you can give me a call on 9525 0566, or leave a message on Facebook and I will respond to that.